Welcome to the Vagus Reset. To learn more about the vagus nerve, see the link in the description. The first exercise is the basic exercise. First, lie down on your back, take a deep breath, and interweave your fingers together and place them behind your head so that you're cradling it. Now, without turning your head, use your eyes and look to the right. Continue looking to the right. It may take a little bit of effort to keep your eyes there. And keep looking until you just spontaneously yawn or swallow. Return your head to the neutral state with your head and your eyes facing forward. And we'll repeat it on the left side. Without turning your head, look to the left. Use just your eyes and remain here until you spontaneously yawn or swallow. The second exercise is the half salamander exercise. You can do this sitting up. Find a comfortable seat and take a deep breath. Without turning your head, look to the right with your eyes. Slowly tilt your head to the right towards the shoulder. Continue looking to the right and keeping your head towards your shoulder for 30 to 60 seconds. Return your eyes and your head back to neutral. Take a breath. And without turning your head, look to the left. Slowly tilt your head towards the left shoulder. Continue to keep your head tilted and your eyes looking left and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Return your eyes and your head to a neutral state. A variation of this exercise is to look in the opposite direction of the head tilt, so that your head tilts left and your eyes look right and vice versa. You can still hold for 30 to 60 seconds. The final exercise is the full salamander exercise. Get on all fours with your wrists and your shoulders aligned and your hips and your knees aligned. Your head is facing down, and look to your left without turning your head. Tilt your head to the left. Let your left spine twist with the head tilt to the left, and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Once you've held, bring your head and spine to center, straighten out, and do the same action on your right side. Look to the right without turning your head. Tilt your head to the right, and let your right side twist with the head tilt to the right. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. For each of these 3 exercises, you can repeat as needed.